All right, class, so let's kick off this brainstorming session. All right, so what I'm gonna do, you guys hear the word Latin America. What do you guys think of? Let's start with countries. What do we think of? Let's just shout them out. Mexico, all right, great. Colombia, of course. What else? Costa Rica, great. Chile, excellent. All right, we've got some countries. You guys all took geography, love it, excellent. Now let's think about, what about famous people? What people do you think of when you hear Latin America? Okay, Pablo Escobar. Shakira, excellent. Sofia Vergara. Okay. Okay, we've got some people. Now let's think about places. What can we think about places with Latin America? Locations. Rainforests, okay. The Andes, great. Are we talking chocolate or are we talking the mountain range? Just checking. Machu Picchu, excellent. The Amazon, great. Patagonia. What about animals? Jaguars, great. Parrots, anacondas, great. So class, that's a good little warm-up. Got you guys talking, got you thinking about Latin America and what we already know. Now think about the vast variety of different things that we're going to be learning about in this lesson. So what we're going to do, before we kick off into our research portion, I wanted to show you guys a video that just kind of takes us through some more fun facts that you may not have known about Latin America. But great job with the brainstorming session. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We're warmed up now. Let's get into it. All right, let's check out this video.
Did you know that Chile, the world's longest country, has over 130 volcanoes? Or that Mexico has 69 official languages? Did you know that Argentina has over 90,000 international students? Maybe they're looking for Argentine beer, which is branded with different political icons. Did you know that of the world's 180,000 species of butterfly, over 3,000 can be found in Colombia? Or that the potato is native to Peru, where there are 3,800 varieties? In Brazil, a rhinoceros was once elected to the Sao Paulo City Council. Discover Latin America and find out more about the region's top universities. Out now, and join in the conversation on social media.
Awesome. All right, class, we're going to get into our research portion. Great job. Hope you're all warmed up. Let's get into it.